and still nothing happens. Why does nothing happen? Let's check our console. Is it still saying invalid time value at format? What? Close this blog post. Why are you saying that? Let's enable this. Let's enable it. So it says invalid time value. Import format from datafns. Let me try something. Let me try to add a check here where I'm going to say that check for whether blog post dot published at exists, and when this exists, that's when I want to render the mid dot. And in a fragment, that's when I want to render the mid dot as well as this format. Let me see whether that is going to work. Let me see. Does that work? That works. That works. What? Let me try this one. And it also works. What? I mean, even I don't know. Even I don't understand why it is. Oh, I get it. I get it. It's because this was evaluating. So blog post was that published that was evaluating before everything else could load. That's why. That's why.